guys, we've got this lovely head of hair. Hair used to be much more defined curls, right? The main thing is coming is for a trim, but I've said it most likely is gonna have to be a cut. But he wanted so much more hair cut off. We've looked at it, and at the end of the day, it's quite uneven in places. So we're gonna work out how we're gonna do it, you know, to get some of these dry ends off. Product used to define the curls nicely, but it doesn't seem like products are staying anymore. So the first thing we're gonna do a detox to get rid of whatever buildup has formed on this, and that will be using some clarifying shampoo. And then after that, we're gonna do like a repair treatment to see what we're gonna do to get some of the curl definition back in. And the treatment is gonna have a bit of protein. I'm gonna be using the BBcause treatment. I really love that because it just helps. Most of the time, by the time we finish, we'll see a bit more of curl definition. Fingers crossed, because we want to see something different. So I'm gonna do an ad hoc cut first, because I just believe if you go and wash and you start dealing with what you have and sorting that out later, I think it's just double work. So I'm just gonna get rid of some of these around the edges. We're gonna start there and then we'll take it from there. So I'm not gonna take off everything that's needed, because at the end of the day, I'm not the one that wears this hair. The needs of your client or the person that actually lives with these curls are very important. So it's not for me to say no, I have to cut it all. He also has to live with it daily. What we decided to do is go in a bit, you know, get rid of some of it. We're still gonna get rid of quite a bit, but not going all the way. Then further down the line, we're gonna do the treatment. Then it can come back, I said at least 2 months, or at maximum 2 months, and then we can do another one if we need to. So that's another way, because a lot of people are scared of going to hairstyling because they think that we're gonna take all their hair and keep it like the tooth fairy does, you know, but that's not the way it is. So yeah, we're gonna do this quick one, quickly, and then we go wash, detox, and take it from there.